Hello everyone, welcome to Stay Update presented by JK Rakhan. So friends, the latest update is coming from JKPSC Jammu Kashmir Public Service Commission related to the Combined Competitive Preliminary Examination 2021, which stands for KS Preliminary Examination 2021. So friends, in the latest update, the official notice has been declared related to the examination that was scheduled to be conducted on 11th of July 2021. Now this preliminary examination of Combined Competitive Examination 2021 will not conduct on 11th of July 2021. This examination has been deferred and postponed to the October 2021. So friends, official notice has been updated on Jammu Kashmir Public Service Commission. You can easily download this official notice from this official website, and you can easily see in the official notice that the examination that was scheduled to be conducted on 11th of July 2021, now the examination has been deferred and to be held on 24th of October 2021. It means this examination will conduct after the Civil Services Preliminary Examination 2021, which will be conducted by the UPSC on 10th of October 2021. So it is a very great news for all the aspirants of the KS who was preparing for this examination from the past few months. So it is a very good time for them in order to accelerate their preparation. So I hope all the candidates, due to COVID-19 pandemic situation, they have accelerated their preparation towards their goal. And one more update has been updated on the Jammu Kashmir Public Service Commission related to the extra or excess fees that has been deducted from the account of the applicant for this examination. Means to say that due to the server error, might be one time their fees has been deducted from their account, but the fees has not been submitted on their application, and then after they have again tried in order to pay the fees, and due to this they have paid more than one time for the single application. So in order to get the refund of the excess fees, they have to send a mail on the official mail ID. The official mail ID has been mentioned here, that is helpdesk@gmail.com. So on this mail ID, before 25th of May 2021, you have to send your details, that is the name of the applicant, your application number of this examination, your bank name, your branch name, your account number, IFSC code, and lastly you need to mention that how much excess amount has been deducted from your account. So all these details in a sequence you have to mention in the mail, and then after before 25th of May 2021 you have to send all these details on the official mail ID. And one more important information to the candidates who have already received the back access payment through concerned banks need not to send their details on this official mail ID. Means to say that the extra amount that has been deducted from their account, if the amount has been received successfully back to the account of the applicants, need not to send any detail. Friends, this is the latest update that has been updated on the Jammu Kashmir Public Service Commission related to the Combined Competitive Civil Services Examination 2021, which is a KS examination, has been deferred, postponed, and will be conducted on 24th of October 2021. So whenever the admit card of the same examination will be updated on the Jammu Kashmir Public Service Commission, we shall discuss in the upcoming video that how to download the admit card and the latest update related to this examination of Combined Competitive Examination 2021. Thank you friends.